Hey everybody, it's Maybe here. Today's video is going to be a nice, quick, easy video on how to paint a worn leather pouch. You can use it on any model. So we're going to start from here and we're going to end up with the pouch looking like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take warm brown from Pro-Acryl's signature series and paint all the pouch. As you can see, I'm using a big old brush. It's got hair going everywhere. This is what I use to do my base coating and taking paints out of Citadel pots to put on the wet palette. So just quick and easy. If you make a mess, we can always paint over the black. That's not an issue. Right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go in with Leather Brown from Vallejo Game Color with a detail brush. And just pick out all the edges, making like little stripes all near the edges where the leather would be worn. Any sort of bulges like on the corners, on the edge of the flap, as you can see where the flap is, I'm going to be painting that as well. And try and be as tidy as you can, but again, it doesn't matter if you make a mistake. Paint over using the base colour. At the moment all the colours are quite bright, but with the next step we're going to dull them down and you'll see. Try using the brush and actually add in a few scratch marks on the leather, and this will give it the really sort of worn look that we're going for here. Okay, so for this step we're just going to cover the whole of the area in a dark wash. I'm using Dracari Violet from Citadel Color. You can make your own. I'm just doing this one as I've got it here. Make sure there's no pooling at all. But when this dries, it's going to add a really nice richness to your leather. And this is what we're after. As you can see, it's like a really nice dark brown. And then what we're going to do for the final step is we're going to go back with a 50-50 of the warm brown and leather brown. And just go over some of the details again, just so they pop. They've got a little bit more colour into the leather. You haven't got to go over the whole thing. Just pick out a few details, and this will add as your highlights, but also give you that two-tone effect in the leather. So some parts have been worn a little bit more than the other. And there you go, simple worn leather pouch recipe. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, subscribe. New videos will be coming every 2 weeks.